AirTalk Wireless uses eSIMs for easy activation, but sometimes things go wrong. The main issues are QR code download failures, device compatibility problems, and the need to reset your eSIM profile. QR code issues often stem from a poor internet connection or app glitches. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular signal and that the AirTalk app is up to date. For compatibility, not all phones support eSIMs, older models particularly so. Check AirTalk's website for a list of compatible devices, including recent additions like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the latest iPhones. Finally, profile resets, deleting and reinstalling your eSIM, are a common fix for connectivity problems. To do this on iOS, go to Settings, Cellular, eSIM, and delete it. Then rescan the QR code. Back up your data before resetting as it erases the current profile. Doing a soft reset or toggling airplane mode can help with this process. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, there are more advanced fixes to try. Ensure your device's OS is updated to the latest version, as older versions can have compatibility issues. Some Android phones have manufacturer-specific tools for eSIM management. Search online for your device model followed by eSIM reset code. Emerging trends are making eSIMs more user-friendly. AirTalk now offers an AI chatbot to diagnose issues, and seamless roaming with multiple eSIM profiles is becoming standard. By 2027, eSIMs are projected to be in 80% of smartphones. AirTalk is also investing in blockchain-based security to protect against eSIM hacking. If problems persist, reach out to AirTalk's customer support or consult online forums for device-specific advice. In the long run, eSIM technology will continue to improve, making connectivity simpler. But for now, understanding these fixes is key.